Hey guys, today I'll be taking a quick look at the Pruveeo 4-channel dash cam. This dash cam has 4 cameras at 1080p, front, left, right, and rear, each having a 150-degree super wide angle lens with a 3-inch huge LCD screen, and also includes features such as built-in GPS and tracking speed, night vision, loop recording, emergency accident locks, and this particular one comes with a 256GB microSD card. The model number is D90-4CH. For more information on where to get this, you can check the links down below in the description. This is a sponsored video, so anything you purchase off the link will not cost anything extra to you, but it will help me out so that I can make more videos like this. So first off, let's take a look at the unboxing and what is included in the box. The camera itself is very lightweight, and it's not the smallest dash cam out there, but with the 3 cameras, it gives you the flexibility of all sorts of angles. You'll also get your rear camera, and the option to use it as a parking assist. A suction mount cup, and your 12-volt power cord, which is 12 feet long, some adhesive clips. You'll also get your 3M adhesive mount, your 256GB memory card, a car wiring tool, your user manual, The front left and right cameras are rotatable by 180 degrees horizontally. And 360 degrees vertically, so you can have them point forward looking out the windshield, or if you want you can have them rotated inwards to film yourself or interior of the car. So you can arrange them in all sorts of different positions. And I'm going to be using a product called Goal Zero Yeti 150, which is a portable battery. This company makes all sorts of portable batteries, great for travel. It comes with a 12-volt socket, an AC socket, and 2 USB. The perfect traveling companion for power on the go, and I'll be using this to power up our dash cam. Take a look at the links below in the description at Goal Zero's Yeti 150 portable battery. We're going to plug in the power cord to the 12-volt socket. And as soon as the dash cam has power, it will automatically turn on and begin recording. But of course, the very first time you turn it on, like right now, it's going to say that you need to format the SD card. Just simply choose OK and format the SD card, then it'll be ready to go. Now it's not a touch screen. You do need to use the buttons below the screen. You can hold the power button in the middle for 3 seconds to turn off the device. And if you want to turn it back on, just press it once. And as mentioned earlier, when it's powered on, it will automatically begin recording. This is mimicking what will happen when it's plugged into your 12-volt socket in the car. When you turn the car on, the dash cam will receive power and automatically turn on and begin recording. If you want to lock or protect a current video footage, simply press OK and it will protect it, which means it will not overwrite that video file. If you want to stop the recording, press the record play button once. And to begin recording again, just press the record play button one more time. To enter settings, press the M button. And to navigate the settings up or down, you'll see these two triangle buttons on the left and right side. Use either button to go up or down in the menu settings. So in the settings you can see we have loop recording, gravity sensing, date stamp, recording audio, exposure, light frequency, when you want to enter one of the settings, simply press the OK button. For instance, in loop recording, once you enter it, you'll have the option of choosing how long you want each video file to be, 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. Now to go from the video settings on the left side down to general settings, you just press the M button. And in the general settings, you'll have options such as formatting the SD card, screensaver, languages. Here are the languages available in this dashcam unit. And there's parking monitor. Infrared LED, system volume, key sounds, date and time, and set time zone, daylight saving, GPS speed unit, GPS information, Wi-Fi, and restore factory settings. Also about and information about the software. Now if you want to play back a video that you've recorded, just simply hold the M button for 3 seconds and it will enter playback mode. Then you'll see a list of the video files been recorded and stored on your memory card, and you can choose which file you would like to play back and view on the actual dash cam. Now when the camera is on, you can toggle between 4 different views, which are the 4 cameras that are connected. You can see all 4 of them at the same time, or you can see each individual camera's video as it's being recorded. The front camera, the front left, the front right, and the rear. Or you can see all 4 of them if you want at the same time. Using the 3M adhesive, you can see on the back of the dash cam there are these grooves so that you can slide and snap it on. And the suction mount itself has a swivel. Now we'll take a look at some actual video footages.
Audio test.
The front camera in daytime.
Audio test. 1, 2, 3.
And I also included a little bit of an audio test so that you can hear what it sounds like. The front left camera, which I angled it a little bit to a 45-degree angle, so you can record what's going on diagonally. The rear camera footage. Now normally the rear camera is supposed to be installed facing outside the car, usually above or under the hood latch. Some footage is at night. So if you're in the market and looking for a dash cam for your car, I would recommend this as an option that gives you a tremendous amount of flexibility and versatility in capturing footage for your vehicle from all sorts of different angles. That is the strength and advantage of this four-channel dash cam. I love having the option that you can record not only just what's going on in front of you, but in your blind spots, to the side of you, also what's inside the car interior. So to have those options are great. So don't forget to check the link in the descriptions below to find this camera, where you can get it. I hope this unboxing and review helped a little bit, give you a better insight and understanding of what this product is all about. And if you got any questions, I'll do my best to answer them in the comment section down below. Thanks for tuning in on my review of the Pruveeo D90 4-channel dash cam. And until next time, guys.